wearing her pants. She was naked and I started banging on the door.
My ex-boyfriend and my ex-best friend.
Okay, I could see their heads coming close. And then, what I saw a hickey over here.
उड़ते तीर को ऐसे करने की मेरी आदत है.
What's up, chickens? Are you ready for some? Yeah? Please don't judge my look. I do not have half of the makeup products with me, as you know. I shared it in my last video that I lost my makeup pouch. तो मैंने पूरा मेकअप अपने हाथों से किया है because मेरे पास कोई स्पंज नहीं है, कोई ब्रश नहीं है, nothing. So just focus on the story time, okay? That's why you are here. I'm not a good storyteller, clearly, but these were like not the very fun times of my life, and these were the time which I do not regret as well because I learned something from it, so I would never regret them probably. These were few really hard time, like really hard time that I passed. Back then it was like really difficult for me to survive, but now when I'm healed and now when I'm a brand new personality, it feels like a joke to me and it feels like a real lesson to me, which I will never erase from my life, because it really made me who I am today. And I have my guard up, honey. No one can break me anymore, be it in friendship, be it in relationship. So your hard times in life always frames you. And without any further ado, I will have you guys to listen to the story time. Bye, enjoy. So I tried to do some hair situation thing going on. I clearly sucked. I tried to do this African thingy, but then I sucked at it. Okay, I sucked at it, but then just pretend that it's not there. I mean, it's super chipped, so we're gonna ignore that entire video, okay? And we're gonna pretend that I have acrylics on. Let me start with how I met this guy, okay? The time I met this guy, let's name him Eric, and let's name my ex-best friend, who I hate to call her that, Erica, okay? So Eric and Erica, the major clown in this story time, but in the end the real clown will be revealed, you guys. The real clown. So how I met Eric is a bit tragic because I was totally not in a mood to be in a relationship with anyone, you guys. Like, I was living my life.
Why this bitch shouts so much? I have so many problems with her. She just cannot keep her mouth shut.
I was on a holiday, okay, to the city. This is actually very close to my hometown. I did all my studies there. The city is like very close to my heart. So I was really happy because इतने मेहनत करने के बाद छुट्टी मिली थी, and I was really excited to see my now best friend Anvesha. I was really excited to see her. 2 महीने पहले भी मैं जब उस city में थी तो I went to party with my now best friend Anvesha, and he probably saw me there and he searched me on Instagram, and then he didn't text me but he texted Anvesha that he sent him my profile and asked her about me कि who is she your friend and stuff, is she single and stuff. ये जब मैं उससे मिली उससे 2 महीने पुराने की बात है. So he didn't text me 2 महीने तक, ठीक है. मैं डायरेक्ट एयरपोर्ट से क्लब चली गई to party, okay. Coincidentally Eric was also there and Anvesha was also there. So Anvesha being drunk, she spilled the tea. She was like, yeah, Prapti is coming if you want to meet her. He was totally excited and he was like, yeah, I want to meet her and stuff. तो मैं वहाँ पे पहुँची and I hugged her. उसके बाद Anvesha introduced me to him कि this guy really likes you and stuff like that. He has been texting me. He was asking if you've got a boyfriend or no. And then I was like, hi, hello. And उस hi, hello से everything started. He was like, he used to be literally obsessed with me, okay, like literally obsessed. And then धीरे I didn't even realize when I fell in love with him, and I was
Extremely mentally, physically, biologically, chemically in love with that guy, okay?
हमने बहुत अच्छे time spend करे, and then finally it was time for me to go back to my workplace, which is Bangalore. So I went back to Bangalore. Then we started talking like regularly कि hi, क्या scene चल रहा है, नहीं चल रहा है, I really like you. And then I proposed him, guys. Like, yes, मैं शुरू से ही पागल थी.
उड़ते तीर को ऐसे करने की मेरी आदत है.
Everything was going great, and now it was time for me again to go to that city. Diwali आई, नवरात्रि आई, and it's a very big festival there, नवरात्रि. तो नवरात्रि आई तो मैं और एरिका डिसाइडेड टू गो टू दैट सिटी. हमने डिसाइड किया कि हम वहाँ जाएंगे और हम फुल मस्ती करेंगे. एंड एरिका एंड आई लेफ्ट फॉर द सिटी. You will not believe, I did not sleep. Like I couldn't sleep the entire night. उससे मिलने के एक दिन पहले जब मेरी फ्लाइट से एक दिन पहले I just couldn't sleep, you guys. I just could not sleep in the excitement to meet him. Like I just couldn't. There were like 1,000 butterflies inside my stomach. And then I landed there and I called Eric. Aren't you coming to like pick me up and stuff? And he was like, pick you up? Why do you want me to pick you up? I'll see you in the evening. And I was like, चलो ठीक है. मुझे लगा कि शायद मैं ज़्यादा हो रही. It happened because I was unaware of all these steps. I didn't know myself much. I didn't love myself enough. तो जो भी सामने वाला इंसान कह रहा था, I used to believe it because I myself was a question mark back then. कि who the fuck am I and what I want in a relationship, what I want in a guy. I was a total question mark back then. So whatever he used to tell me, I used to believe. So he was like, chalo theek hai, I'll see you in the evening. I was like, cool, see, fine, I'll see you in the evening. Erica, I and Anvesha got ready to go to few places to eat and stuff like that with Eric, okay? Finally he came. I was so happy to see him. And then, what I saw a hickey over here. Like it was prominent, guys. It was a prominent hickey mark here. And I was like, what the hell? What is this? And he was like, no, it's nothing. She just forced herself on me and I didn't do anything. I didn't even realize when she gave me this one. Please trust me, this, that and stuff like that. And I was so bloody dumb. I trusted him with my eyes closed, guys. I trusted him. I was like, okay, ठीक है, चलो कोई लड़की आई होगी, तुम्हारे गले को ऐसे चूस के चली गई और तुम्हें पता नहीं चला. Like, see, this is what happens when you do not know yourself enough and when you do not know what you want in a guy or in a relationship. You just lower your standards, okay? So this is what happened. And I was like, चलो ठीक है, गलती से हिकी आ गया होगा गले पे उड़ते उड़ते कहीं से. Erica, I and Anvesha went to this party. We had so much fun, you guys. I proposed him that night. I was like literally on my knees. I told the DJ to play our song. I told him to play that song. And I literally went on my knees and I asked him to be my boyfriend. How romantic, guys. I haven't been that romantic in like ages now. We all were drunk, okay? Ab khatam hone ko aaya story. So we all were drunk. We all were like really drunk. Like, how can you do that? Like, how can you cheat on your girlfriend on the same day she asked you out? Like, कैसे? कुछ दिन बात कर लेता यार, कुछ दिन बाद cheat कर लेता भाई. वैसे तो किया ही उसने, पूरे relationship ही एक cheat था मेरे लिए. Any which way. And let me give you a backstory about Erica. Erica was literally like my sister. So I do not have any sister, okay? First met Erica, she was this beautiful soul, okay? She was a beautiful soul. She felt like a breath of fresh air to me. She was so pure. Her heart was so pure. And then something started to happen to her. She started comparing herself to me. And then she started behaving strange. And all these behaviors, her behavior really changed. And the thing that hurt me so much 2 years back, the thing that actually built me, I feel, that taught me how to put your guard up. So I would like to thank Erica for that. Like, thank you so much. You taught me so many things. Like, this girl was like literally my baby sister to me. Like, she was literally like a baby sister to me. I could like fight 1,000 human beings for her. Like, isn't that enough? Like, isn't that enough to like elaborate how much like I loved her? But turned out to be a fucking clown. Suddenly, Eric wanted to like go outside with me, so I took Eric to the lobby, hotel ka lobby, and because this club was inside a hotel only, so hum hotel ke lobby tak pahunche, and he started feeling pukish because he was really drunk and he was not in a condition to like go to the washroom to like puke or something. So I covered him and I made him puke lobby ke beech mein. I made him puke. वहाँ पे security guards घूम रहे थे and I made him puke there. I tried to distract the security guards so the baby can puke over there, and then he puked there, and I was like covering for him right there, and I was like telling him stories that baby would be fine and stuff like that. I was like really taking care of him like a small baby. So that was the condition of Eric, and he was really anxious and he was puking and he was not in his senses. Then I told him कि चलो यहाँ पे बैठ के फायदा नहीं है, people are staring and stuff, so there's no way, no point of like sitting over here and like giving them a good show. तो चलो चलते हैं, गाड़ी में बैठते हैं, and whenever जब भी you feel good you can like leave because it's not safe to drive, right? So I took him to his car and I was like comforting him, ठीक है? I was like distracting him on that way. तो अब बहुत late हो चुका था and I felt like there's no point staying in here गाड़ी में. So I thought of कि चलो Erica and Anvesha and all of our other friends, they were upstairs, ठीक है? ऊपर pool party चल रही होती है, तो they were up there pool party में. So I told Eric कि you wait here for few minutes, I'll just go and call our other friends up. And he held my hand and he was like, don't go, don't leave me. I was like, baby, I'm not leaving you, I'll just go and call them because उतने loud music में no one was picking my phone up, ठीक है? कोई मेरा phone नहीं उठा रहा था. And call everybody. यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा break लूँगी. Can you see the nose contour? Don't worry, it will just take me a few seconds. And he was like, he agreed. He was like, चलो ठीक है, fine. I went up there and I saw them. They were like very happy, very nice. They were dancing. और मुझे आधे लोग तो मिल ही नहीं रहे, मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ, मिल ही नहीं रहे. मैंने एरिका को बोला कि एरिका ऐसी ऐसी बात है, एरिक की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है और तुम नीचे जाओ और ना उसे बस हंसाते रहना, ठीक है? जस्ट गो डाउन एंड आई बी कमिंग इन फ्यू मिनट्स. मैं सबको इकट्ठे करके लेके आती हूँ. टिल देन यू गो देयर, डाइवर्ट हिज माइंड एंड टॉक टू हिम, ओके? एंड एरिका बीइंग एरिका said, okay, cool, I'll go downstairs and I'll be with him. I was like, ठीक है. अब सब कुछ हो गया, सारे मुझे मिल गए और ना मैं अब ना एरिका को ढूंढ रही हूँ कि एरिका कहाँ है, बिकॉज एरिका कहीं नहीं मिल रही थी. तो गाड़ी में भी मैंने एक बार नीचे गए, हम सारे के सारे नीचे गए, एरिका को ढूंढ रहे हैं, सारे नीचे गए. अब गाड़ी में भी ना मुझे कोई दिखा नहीं है. डोंट नो व्हाई, प्रॉब्ली बिकॉज आई वाज ड्रंक एंड स्टफ, बट गाड़ी में भी मुझे कोई दिखा नहीं. तो मैं और अन्वेषा चले गए वॉशरूम में ढूंढने, ठीक है? वॉशरूम में भी कोई नहीं था. नोबडी वाज देयर इनसाइड द वॉशरूम आल्सो. नाउ गाइस, यू विल नॉट बिलीव व्हाट द फक हैपेंड. अब क्या होता है, when I was coming back from washroom, अब गाड़ी के पीछे से ना, शीशे से ना, I could see two head, they were merging together, okay? I could see their heads coming closer. I could see that, like two heads, I could see their heads coming closer and closer and closer and closer, and they kissed. My ex-boyfriend and my ex-best friend kissing, guys, kissing. I saw that and I was the only one who saw that, okay? Neither did Anvesha see that, no one saw that. I was the only one who saw that, ठीक है? I was still in shock. I couldn't believe. I see, I didn't care. At that time, I really didn't care about Eric much. I was like, Erica cannot do this. Like, I was in a total disbelief that Erica would do it. Like, I was in a total fucking disbelief. मैं मानने को ये तैयार ही नहीं थी कि उसने वो किया. So my dumb ass, to hurt myself more, मैं गाड़ी के पास गई and I was watching them kissing wildly, guys. Like they were like kissing each other, okay? Anvesha being Anvesha, she's very hot-headed and stuff like that. She started banging, ठीक है, दरवाजे में, and then both of them came out and I was like, listen dude, I don't want to talk to you. मेरे को तो ऐसी कोई बात ही नहीं करनी. I need to talk to Erica. And Erica was surprisingly very happy that she kissed him and stuff like that. And I was like, what the hell, dude? You know I do not catch feelings for like people, and this is the only guy I was attracted to, and you decided to like kiss him in my absence. And she was like, I didn't kiss him, I didn't mean to kiss him, it just happened, both of us were drunk. The fucking stupidest excuse people will give you to fucking justify their action is that they were drunk. And please do not believe this. Like, oh my fucking god, I really slapped her. I slapped her there because I was hurt, guys. I at this point I didn't even care about Eric. Eric का ध्यान मुझे बाद में hit करेगा. At this point I was bloody hurt because of Erica, because I loved her like so fucking much. I really thought of her like a sister, and I was bloody hurt back then. So that happened. I really slapped the shit out of her. I was like, fuck. Any which ways, I'm violent, but you don't have to. Just यहाँ का खेल है. जब मैंने वो की देखा, मुझे तभी वहाँ से हट जाना चाहिए था. But then a dumbass bitch being a dumbass bitch, I had to stay. And then ठीक है, we went back home and stuff like that. और एरिका ने उसके बाद एक word भी नहीं बोला मेरे से कोई बात नहीं करी उसने. But then she apologized to me, guys. Yeah, she apologized. And me being me, I forgive her. I forgave both of them. I gave that fucking bitch a second chance. Can you believe climax? Like I gave that fucking douchebag a second chance, guys. I gave him a second chance. You like, how dumb can someone be? Like, you literally saw these two guys cheating on you. Both of them were cheating on you, and my dumbass decided to give them a chance. And yeah, we were happy. We started hanging out again together, and you will not believe, this son of a bitch decided to cheat on me again with the same lady. Erica again. 3-4 महीने के बाद सेम हमारा गेट टुगेदर हुआ, हम सारे साथ बैठे. We were just having fun this time of playing board games and stuff like that. And अगले दिन सुबह को हम दोनों की फ्लाइट थी, एरिका की और मेरी फ्लाइट थी अगले दिन सुबह की. उस शहर से बैंगलोर वापस जाना था. I was really sleepy. Like, I was really sleepy, you guys. So I told Eric कि I'll go, I'll just take a nap because मेरी फ्लाइट है और मैं फुल डेड हो जाऊंगी. तो इससे बेहतर है कि मैं just थोड़ा सा नैप ले लेती हूँ. And he told me, and Erica was on the other. Erica एक दूसरे रूम में थी. She was also sleeping apparently. And Anvesha and I were in the same room and we slept. रहता है करके. And he said, yeah, I'll come and sleep, baby. But you sleep. You must be tired. Being a sweet angel he is. He told me that I am tired and I should sleep, and I slept. Then
Cheating chapter 2.
Anvesha started banging on my door, ठीक है, room के दरवाजे पे. She started banging and I was like really sleepy. I was really grumpy and I opened the door and she was like, where is Erica? Where is Eric? I'm like, I don't know where he is. I slept. मैं सो गई थी, मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ है वो. She was like, Eric and Erica are sleeping together. I lost it. Again, I was in disbelief. I'm like, what the hell? Sleeping together? What do you mean by that? Erika तो दूसरे रूम पे है और Eric मेरे साथ था अभी. She was like, come with me. और हम दोनों के conversation को ना Eric के friend ने सुन लिया और Eric का friend ना हमें रोकने आ रहा था कि fuck क्या हो गया करके ना कि fuck. I just saw this reaction of him. And he came to stop us and I was like, please do not, okay? If you want to save your friend's life, please do not do this, or else I'll break your head first and then I'll go and break your friend's head. So he was like, अरे नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, वो वॉशरूम यूज करने एरिका के रूम में गया है. इतने बड़े रूम घर पे तुम्हें बस एरिका के रूम का वॉशरूम दिखा. हमारे रूम में भी एक वॉशरूम है, अन्वेषा के रूम में भी एक वॉशरूम है. Why Erica's room while she's sleeping fucking alone? Anyways, and I started banging on the door, okay? I was just banging and I could like किसी का कोई आवाज़ नहीं, मैं बस बैंग कर रही हूँ दरवाज़ा जोर जोर से मैं पीट रही हूँ दरवाजे को. And I was in such anger, you guys. Oh my god, मेरा सिर फट रहा था उस टाइम पे. मैं दरवाज़ा पीट रही हूँ. कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं. After 10 minutes, I could hear Eric shouting, I am using the washroom. And I'm like, do not bullshit me right now, okay? मुझे पता है कौन washroom use कर रहा है कौन नहीं कर रहा है. मैं कोई 14 साल की बच्ची नहीं हूँ. Just because I'm a stupid bitch doesn't mean that I'm a child, okay? Just fucking open the door. Anvesha pushed it really hard. And what did I see? What did I see? I couldn't see Eric, but I saw Erica wearing her pants. She was naked and she was wearing her pants and she was like, what the fuck are you doing? She slammed the door back. I say back and she was like, what the hell are you doing? Can't you see I'm changing? And I'm like, bitch, this is not the first time I'm seeing your fucking titties. What the fuck are you talking about? पहली बार नहीं है ये, हम लड़कियां हैं, हम साथ रहते हैं. I have seen you bloody shower. What the fuck are you talking about? The fuck? And she doesn't sleep naked, guys. I was her roommate. I fucking know her. She doesn't sleep naked. I know her. I fucking knew her. And she was like, what the fuck are you doing? I'm not doing anything. I'm not interested in cheating with your boyfriend and stuff like that. I'm not interested in your boyfriend. She was shouting. And I'm like, fuck's sake. मैं तो कुछ पूछ भी नहीं रही हूँ, मैं तो कुछ बोल भी नहीं रही हूँ, मैं तो कुछ कह भी नहीं रही हूँ कि चीट कर रहा है मेरा बंदा किसी के भी साथ या फिर कुछ मेरा बंदा. Eric is cheating on me and stuff like that. I just want to get inside that room. Just let me in. Like, let me fucking in. मुझे भी वॉशरूम यूज़ करना है. Fuck that shit. मुझे भी अंदर आने दो. मुझे बस अंदर आना था. मुझे इतनी बड़ी बड़ी कहानियाँ क्यों बता रही है तू? मेरे को बस अंदर आने दे. She didn't, guys. She fucking didn't. Finally, Eric बाहर आता है. And एक चोर के, of course, excuses. He bombarded me with all the excuses and stuff like that. My head was blasting. I felt like killing Erica right there, like right fucking there. and like killing that piece of shit, a cheater ass right there. I felt like killing both of them. Like guys, मैं बताती हूँ आपको एक बात कि मतलब मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताती हूँ कि मुझे जो फीलिंग उस बंदे के लिए आई थी ना, why I don't know why we girls like end up falling in love with the wrong one, and वैसी फीलिंग मुझे पहले कभी नहीं आई थी. Like I felt a million butterflies inside my stomach जब भी मैं उसकी शक्ल देखती थी, या फिर जब भी कोई उसकी आवाज़ भी, जब भी उसका कोई नाम भी लेता था कि एरिक. सो जब भी कोई एरिक बोलता था ना, मेरे सारे बटरफ्लाइज ऐसे मुंह से बाहर आ जाते थे, जैसे कान, नाक, सारे सेंस ऑर्गन से बाहर आते थे. लाइक I was madly in love with him, and this bitch knew it, and she fucking called me her best friend. Anyways, that happened, and guess what? एक और बार उसने सॉरी बोला, और एक और बार this clown went back in together. Yes guys, मैं फिर से वापस चली गई. इस पॉइंट पे तो तुम लोग ऐसे हो रहे होगे, अबे यार इसकी कहानी नहीं सुननी मुझे, तू ही चूतिया है. एग्जैक्टली. सो अब रिवील हो रहा है क्लाइमैक्स. अब पता चल रहा है हु इज द रियल क्लाउन इन द स्टोरी. Yes, this bitch is. She is the real clown. एक बार cheating, it's the end of the story. You do not give anyone a second chance who fucking cheats on you. No, it's a no. Close the fucking door. Close it. Do not open it, no matter how much they cry for you, no matter how much they tell you, no matter how much they write a novel about you that they love you. That's all a lie, guys. That's all a lie. And now I learn it. After 3 fucking years, I learn it now. And then he was a narcissist person. He always used to slam on me कि you are cheating on me, you are doing this, you are doing that. जबकि रियल टाइम में सब कुछ वो कर रहा होता था, लेकिन जो भी वो कर रहा होता था उसे वो मेरे पे थोप देता था, you know, कि you did this. So he was a very weird narcissist personality. I don't want to talk about much, but yeah, finally I thought about myself, and we broke up finally. And the time I broke up with him, guys, I was shattered. Like I was literally shattered. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मेरी दुनिया ख़त्म हो चुकी है. मतलब ब्रेकअप, मतलब कितना भी चूतिया हो सकता है कि जब बंदे ने चीट किया तब इतना दर्द नहीं हुआ, जब खुद ने मैंने उससे ब्रेकअप कर लिया तब मुझे दुनिया भर की सारी दर्द वापस आ रहे थे. एंड देन इट टुक मी ऑलमोस्ट अ ईयर टू लाइक टेक थिंग्स, लाइक पूरे बैक ऑन ट्रैक होने में मुझे 1 साल टाइम लगा. और जब मैं उस सिचुएशन में थी ना, तब सब कुछ ख़राब हो रहा था. आई ब्रोक अप विथ हिम. मेरा रिलेशनशिप टूट गया, मेरे फैमिली के साथ रिलेशनशिप ख़राब होने लग गया, एंड मेरी जॉब चली गई. आई डेंट हैड फूड टू ईट, आई डेंट हैड रूफ टू स्टे इन. सो एवरीथिंग स्टार्टेड गोइंग रॉन्ग, है ना. सब कुछ ही मतलब गलत हो रहा था. ऐसा लग रहा था मुझे, ऐसा लगने लग गया था कि मेरे साथ अब कुछ भी ठीक नहीं होगा. एंड आई डेंट हैड एनी फ्रेंड्स बैक देन. इट वॉज अ मेस. मैं कोई अलग, I was alone in the entire city. And then life happened, you know, shit happens. I started spending more time with the people I love, and I started knowing myself more. मैं लिखती थी notes पे कि what am I grateful for, what are the 5 qualities that I want in myself, and what actually makes me happy. I started answering all these questions खुद ही, because it is actually so important to know yourself, you guys. पहले you should always prioritize to like know yourself, because if you do not know yourself, if you are a question mark in yourself only, what do you expect? जब तुम खुद खोखले होते हो, जब तुम खुद नील होते हो और तुम खुद एक क्वेश्चन मार्क होते हो, तो सामने वाला इंसान जो कह रहा होता है ना, वो तुम गल्प कर रहे होते हो. यू आर टेकिंग दैट ऑल इन. इट्स लाइक वाटर टू अ ड्राई प्लांट. ठीक है, तो जो भी वो तुम्हें बोल रहा होता है ना, तो तुम उसे लेते रहते हो, एंड यू फिल योर सेल्फ विद मोर शिट, like more and more shit. You started doubting yourself, like what am I, because you do not know what the fuck you actually are. So I was in that condition. So it's very important to know yourself, and it's very important not to tolerate shit, guys. Like not to tolerate shit. अभी तो मैं ऐसी हो गई हूँ कि one mistake, like you do one silly mistake, अगर सच में वो mistake भी हुआ ना, I'd be like slam the door, get the fuck out. If you are going through such situation, अभी ये बहुत मज़ेदार लग रहा है मेरे लिए स्टोरी बताना कि हाँ स्टोरी टाइम है, ये है वो है, बट जब वो बीत रही थी ना मेरे साथ, I thought I would never be able to like talk about it. कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि किसी से मैं इस बारे में कभी ज़िंदगी में बात नहीं कर पाऊंगी और मैं कभी हील नहीं होंगी, मैं रेखा बन जाऊंगी. मेरी सबसे बड़ी डर यही थी कि मैं रेखा ना बन जाऊंगी, मैं रेखा बन जाऊंगी. If it's cloudy today, it will be sunny tomorrow. Now I found my beautiful love of my life. 3 years later, I found the beautiful love of my life. Now I found my beautiful best friend, and I'm in this beautiful house with doing my beautiful job. This as well as the main job. I'm loving it. I'm just loving it. I'm just super grateful about it. सबसे बड़ी best friend तुम्हारी जो है ना, सबसे बड़ी best friend is your gut. Is your gut. I said it. Believe it. अगर तुम्हारा intuition, तुम्हारा instinct तुम्हें guide कर रहा है, वो God AC चलाओ यार. कि this person is a sneaky ass son of a bitch. It's time for you to leave them. Bloody leave them. You do not need any proof, sweetheart. तुम्हें कोई proof की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तुम्हारा instinct तुम्हारा सबसे बड़ा proof है. अगर तुम्हें वो कह रहा है कि ये बहन का है, तो ये बहन का है. My gut always knew in the situation. Again, there was this time when this Eric bitch he went to Azerbaijan. समझ लेते हैं, ठीक है? Country कोई और थी, मैं नाम लूँगी नहीं. ठीक है, क्योंकि मुझे और मैस अट्रैक्ट नहीं करना है. तो he went to Azerbaijan once, this Eric guy, okay, my ex. Deep down inside, guys, I fucking knew that this guy is cheating on me again, like for the 3rd time. 3 time तो मुझे पता थी, अब पता नहीं कितनी बार उसने करा है बीच में, I don't know. For the 3rd time, I knew. I literally forced him to tell me the truth. I was like, tell me what you're doing. I know you're up to something. I knew it that he's up to something, and I exactly knew what he's up to. I don't want to disclose it in front of camera, but it's really shitty. But I knew he was up to something, okay? And then he was like, okay, I'll tell you tonight, okay? I'll tell you the truth. I was like, I do not care about tonight or something. I need to know right fucking now what you're up to. And my gut, my instinct exactly knew what it was. And it was exactly the same thing what I actually knew about it. So trust that. He told me that and I was like, game over for me, bitch. एक बार मैंने chance दे दिया, 2 बार chance दे दिया, तीसरी बार fuck it off, and I chose myself, and we finally broke up. And do not, it's not worth losing your life because of a douchebag. It's not, guys. So if you're thinking कि I'm not good enough, पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है मेरे साथ, मैं ही खराब होंगी, मुझे ही शायद नहीं कुछ, मैं ही गलत दिखती होंगी, या फिर मुझे मेरी एक्शंस कुछ खराब होंगी, मैं ही टू मच होंगी शायद, इसलिए मुझे छोड़ के वो दूसरी बंदी के पास चला गया. No, cheating is an option, and as long as it's there, उसके ज़मीर में, is there in his blood vessels, he will choose that option, no matter if you are Kim Kardashian or you are like Kylie Jenner or you're like Selena Gomez. You will be cheated on. They will always go to the cheaper option. Always. अगर तुम्हें Charlotte Tilbury, if you are getting Charlotte Tilbury 200 रुपए में जाली वाली और same coverage दे रहा है तुम्हें, एकदम perfect coverage and stuff like that, if you're a cheap mentality wala person, you'll go ahead and grab that cheap wala Charlotte Tilbury. You'll not fucking care about the real Charlotte Tilbury, right? Because but इससे real वाले Charlotte Tilbury की कीमत कम हो जाती है, रियल वाले Charlotte Tilbury की फैन बेस कम हो जाती है, रियल वाले Charlotte Tilbury की वर्थ कम हो जाती है उस जाली वाले Charlotte Tilbury की वजह से. Of course fucking not. The real is always real, guys. ये बहुत ही भद्दा example था. Drink a lot of water and do your thing, okay? Should I use kajal or like should I not? Bitch, you don't even have kajal right now. Also this Erica bitch, she didn't stop there. उसके और भी stories है. She slept with other exes of mine as well. So this Erica bitch is like, oh my god, she is into some real big shit. I don't know what she's trying to achieve in her life, but all the best for that bitch. फिलहाल हम लिपस्टिक लगा लेते हैं यार, ये आई लुक तो बहुत ही गंदा लग रहा है. Okay guys, that was it for the story time. I hope कि मैंने किसी लोगों को क्लाउन बनने से बचाया है. But to be honest, no one can actually like really save you for something. It's you who can save yourself. Once you fall into that trap, then only you understand what actual pain is. So for you to learn something in life, it's really important to go through the darkest days. So लाइफ के प्लॉट ट्विस्ट में और ट्विस्ट डालते रहो और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते रहो. शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड एंड लेट देम नो that their boyfriend is also probably cheating on them. So leave a comment. अपने thoughts बताना who was the main clown in this story. इसे छोड़ के. Okay, because you are my army. Okay, I want you guys to like have my back and stuff. So let me know. I'll catch you in my next one. It was so nice. मेरे जबड़ों में दर्द हो रहा है बातें कर करके. So I'll just go watch Doraemon या Shinchan कुछ भी. I love watching that. And I'll catch you in my next one. I'll go ahead and take some Instagram pictures if you want to like them. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye, clownies.